A literature review for introduction is a summary of studies in a certain field of study. It identifies and summarizes all relevant studies on a specific topic. In this literature section, writers frequently refer to other studies in a systematic way. Writers must guide their readers through this literature to outline the key ideas and theories which are relevant to the current work. A well-written literature review should provide an analytical study of previous investigations related to the current research, justification of the need for such study, the uniqueness of the study that no direct literature addressing this issue, and the significance of the research. After the introduction, the literature review chapter in a research dissertation provides a comprehensive and critical analysis of existing scholarly literature related to the research topic. It serves several purposes, including 1. Establishing the context. The literature review sets the context for the research by providing background information on the topic. It helps readers understand the historical development, key concepts, theories, and debates surrounding the research area. It also demonstrates the researcher's familiarity with the field and shows how the current study fits into the broader academic discourse. 2. Identifying gaps in research questions. The literature review helps identify gaps, inconsistencies, or limitations in the existing body of knowledge. It highlights areas where further research is needed and helps formulate research questions or hypotheses. By examining previous studies, the researcher can identify unresolved issues or unanswered questions that the current study aims to address. 3. Synthesizing existing knowledge. The literature review synthesizes and summarizes relevant literature, presenting a balanced and cohesive overview of previous research findings, methodologies, and theoretical frameworks. It demonstrates the researcher's ability to critically analyze and evaluate the literature, identify patterns or trends, and draw meaningful conclusions. It also helps the researcher build on previous work and avoid duplication. 4. Developing theoretical frameworks. The literature review contributes to the development of theoretical frameworks or conceptual models. By synthesizing relevant theories and concepts, the researcher can propose a framework that guides the research design and analysis. The literature review helps establish the theoretical foundation of the study and shows how the research extends or builds upon existing theories. 5. Supporting methodological choices. The literature review informs the selection of appropriate research methods and methodologies. By examining previous studies, the researcher can identify suitable data collection techniques, sampling strategies, or analytical approaches. The literature review also helps identify potential challenges or limitations associated with specific methods and provides insights into best practices. 6. Demonstrating scholarly engagement. The literature review showcases the researcher's scholarly engagement with the field. It involves critically evaluating the quality, relevance, and credibility of previous studies. The researcher examines the strengths and weaknesses of different research approaches, assesses the validity and reliability of findings, and identifies areas of consensus or debate within the literature. To write an effective literature review chapter, copy and paste the following command and guidelines to generate a literature review of the research thesis using ChatGPT. Guidelines. 1. Referring to past research. Point 2. Indicating the limitations of previous research. Point 3. Referencing the current state of knowledge. Point 4. Investigating unexplored research areas. Point 5. Identifying key research questions. 6. Determine methodologies used in past studies. Point 7. Indicating the comparative analysis of current methods. Point 8. Summarizing the studies reviewed. Point 9. Finally, the last part of the literature review should conclude the limitations of the previous studies and provide this study's main objectives and novelties. 10. Address the knowledge gap clearly and provide some meaningful phrases that their study can advance the knowledge and fill in a knowledge gap that has not been considered yet. Command. Write literature review chapter on research topic for a scientific thesis using the above guidelines with journal scientific terms. Provide bibliography details also. The command is provided in the description box for your reference. Thanks for watching.